everyone, confused about what you need to bring on a trip and want to downsize? I'm going to break it all down for you in just 1 second, but before we get into all that, I must ask, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Alright, so here's my top 8 tips. First is jewelry for every outfit. Now, for me, I usually wear what I'm going to be using on the ship. However, for those that might want a little bit extra, a small jewelry case is often the way to go. But you don't need jewelry for every single outfit anymore. You also do not need shoes for every outfit. I tend to bring Crocs, sneakers, dressy shoes, and water shoes, and that's really about it. Next up is books. Now, in the old days, if you like to read books, like my dad has been known to do, you had to bring every single book in hard copy. However, if you're like me and you want to kind of keep the carry-on light a little bit, my best advice is bring the Kindle. You can download all the books that you plan on reading right on there, and there's plenty of memory. A lot of them will be able to store thousands and thousands of books. So I would definitely try that. And in some cases, you can get the Kindle books for less than you would get in the store. So definitely an option to look at. Next up is alcoholic drinks. Now, the only reason I mention this is because many of the cruise ships will offer alcohol on board as part of their drink package. However, you can also do the pay-as-you-go option. And if you're a Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor member, you get the 4 free drinks preloaded onto your card daily. So many people choose not to bring that, but again, it's up to you. Now, another thing I no longer bring with me is my MP3, my iPod, my CD, or my DVD player. I just use my phone for all that. I don't even bring a CD case or anything like that anymore because I don't really use them. Another option would be makeup. Now, for me, I don't wear makeup, but for those that do wear makeup, you really don't need anything more than chapstick, and you won't find a lot of people wearing makeup on the cruises anyway. Next up is clothes. Now, the only reason I say this is because there's several different ways that you can handle this. For me, I choose not to bring clothes that wrinkle easily, and rather than folding them, you can roll them up. And some lines offer laundry service for an extra fee or have an onboard laundromat. Now, the other reason I bring this up too is sometimes not the cruise line, but the airline will actually weigh your bags and charge you for how much your bag weighs. For example, I'm flying on a cruise very soon, and for me to bring my suitcase on, it's going to cost me about $30, and for a suitcase that's not really even that big, and the prices go up the larger the suitcase is. So the more room you can save in your suitcase, the better. Something else to keep in mind as well is they'll often provide hair dryers in the cabin, so you don't need to worry about what type is going to work when you get on the ship. And they also often provide shampoo and conditioner. Now, you're more than welcome to bring your own. However, you don't necessarily have to. So those are my top tips. Did I miss anything, seasoned cruisers? If you have any tips that you think I missed, comment below. We'll see if we can include them in a future edition. And in the meantime, again, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. And I'll see you soon. Bon voyage!